So today's video is all about sexy consent. I have heard again and again people say consent just sounds too clinical. It sounds so bland and boring. And the reality is you can make consent sexy. It's all in how you dish it and put it out there, right? So if you say, hey, is it okay if I touch your boob right now? Yeah, that's going to sound a little clinical. It's not as sexy. But if you go in for a touch and you just lower your voice a little, I always think of like the low DJ voice when it comes to this. Like, here's how you make something sexy. It's not a lot. It's just a little. It's like, you like that? That's a consent question. But I'm asking it in a sexy way. All I do is lower my voice and I look somebody in the eyes with a little sultry, like a little bit of, hey, I'm interested in you, right? Boom, sexy. Boom. But really, that's all you're doing is you're asking questions along the way and you're keeping it sexy in the way you ask it. But I've got to tell you, the consent part is what's sexy. What you're doing when you, basically this is practicing ongoing consent. And when you practice ongoing consent, you are communicating to the person that you're trying to be sexual with, that you care what they feel and that you want to build trust with them. And so when you go in for a kiss, it's like, can I kiss you? Like, oh, okay, yeah, let's see where this kiss goes. That's what I feel like, even as I said it, what I felt in my skin is, ooh, somebody wants to, all right, let's see where this goes. Like, that's what makes it exciting is it's both consensual, it's letting me have a choice in the situation, and it sounds sexy. So it just sounds like a low voice. It sounds like making eye contact. And now it doesn't always even have to be verbal. It can be nonverbal, right? So it's, you put your hand on someone's low back and you just kind of lean in and you look and see non-verbally, are they responding well or are they not responding well, right? So to look for non-verbal consent, look for openness, look for warmth. Do they turn towards you or do they stay stiff? If they stay stiff, then you can pull back. Maybe it's go up to the higher back, see how this changes. But I've got to say, as much as the nonverbal consent is a part of this, I still think it's sexier, to go in and say, hey, what do you like? I'm wanting to get close to you, but I want to do it in a way that feels good for you. Do you like my hand on your back? Are you okay with that? Okay, cool. Then then there's clarity. And they also have an opportunity to choose if that's something they like or if they want you to try something else. So what you're essentially doing is creating a negotiation around consent. Like, I'm trying to touch your back. I don't know if you're liking this or not. What's good for you? If they're not interested in the back, maybe they say, actually, I'd be open to you holding my hand right now. That would be sexy for me right now. And, it's interesting. As I'm talking about this, I'm realizing one of the challenges that people are facing with consent and having these consent conversations is it really needs to be two-way. Both parties really need to be talking and clarifying with each other. This is what I like. This is what I'm interested in. I want to try this. And so even beyond sexy consent, I want to clarify that the big goal for all of my couples that I'm working with is sexy negotiated consent, which a negotiation requires two people talking. And so it means you have a choice. If you like the hand on your back, yeah, let's do the hand on my back. If you don't like it, you can put it somewhere else. Hey, I'd like it right here. This is where I want to feel you. Or, hey, I like it when you get close to me, but then I need a little break from it. So come in a little bit, but then let's take a little distance because that feels sexy to me. It's important for couples to be having very clear conversations about what feels good, why it feels good, and negotiating for what kinds of touch would feel good going forward so that you can continue to create that affection with each other in ways that work for both of you. So this has been Angela Skirtu. Please visit me at therapistintstlouis.com. You can also like and subscribe, and also please leave comments below.